So, hey guys, welcome to Virtual Tuition, and in this video, we're going to learn our first new future tense type, and which is indefinite future tense, which means simple future tense. So let's read this. Future tenses are used to talk about actions or events that will happen about some point in the future. There are four main types of future tense. So there are four types of tenses here. Let's see which one is the first one for us to learn. It's simple future tense. So let's learn this today. So, what's the structure of the simple future tense? So, structure means how it is formed, like it is formed with subject, will, and base form of the verb. Okay, I understand it. Did you understand, guys? If you wouldn't, I'll teach you. So, it's formed like with a subject and with will is a word and it's add in the between of the sentence and in the end it has a base form of the verb. It doesn't have any verb 2 3 verb 2 form or verb 3 form, and verb 2 form is ing and verb third form is ed added in the end of the word. Okay, so it's a base form like play. It doesn't have any ing in the end, and played it does and next is um, ate, like that. It's a base form of the verb. Let's see what's the usage of this. What is the meaning of this future tense, simple future tense? It's used to express a future action. It's used to express a future action that is not influenced by any other events. Okay, I understand it. Before I just make you understand what I'm going to teach you, I'll just highlight the main things that are important in our conversation. I mean, learnings. Subject, the work who do. No, I'll just highlight it. Will. Will is a name too, right? I like that name. It's really cool. And the base form of the verb. I'm highlighting this all because this is how the simple future tense is formed. If you don't know how to form, then you need to learn it because it's the main thing. You need to know how it is formed, to know when is a simple future tense used in the sentences. And the usage of the simple future tense is that it expresses the future action that is not influenced by any other events that are now. So usage of this express future action is that future action is not connected with any other events or action which happened in the past or present. These all things that the usage of it that it is not influenced by any other events or actions. It is like it's just think. Let's see, there are one more thing here. Simple future tense used for straightforward future action. See this. Do you? I think you understand what is this usage. I'll just highlight the main thing. Okay. So it's straightforward future actions. They doesn't have any connection between past and present tense. So you know what the usage of it now. So example, I will go to the beach tomorrow. I will go to the beach tomorrow. I will, and go is the base form. Let's see what else um, um, what else could be go formed in, like verb 2 or verb 3? In verb 2 it's going, and verb 3 it's going only, because it's cannot be good e- ed in the end. Okay, it will be weird if you use this. You must be a weirdo, because that doesn't even exist. I'm sorry if I've been rude to you, but I was just being funny. No. Okay, so this is the verb to form, and go is the base form of the verb. Okay, so I hope that you understand what is simple future tense, and I'll meet you in the next video. So till then, goodbye. Stay safe, keep learning.